Desktop electronic counting machine operation method. Take out the power cord from the device. One end is plugged into the device. Plug connection power supply. Turn on the power switch. The cello has a vacuuming port. If the material is dusty, a vacuum cleaner can be connected. The role of dust reduction. Step or open the bin cover. Add materials. The third step is to turn on the emergency stop switch. Press Start switch. Turn on the oscillator switch. Turn on the turntable switch. This is the knob. Control the speed of vibrating. This switch controls the turntable speed. Use together turntable speed and oscillating blanking speed. Explain the adjustment of the track. Loosen the adjustment screw. Move up and down, back and forth. Adjust the track to the length and width of the material. Standard when importing. The peel will pass smoothly. If you adjust it too much, two peels go in together. You can't make it too small. You can't get in if you pass a small peel. This is the interface. Language selection: Chinese and English optional. This is the set number of capsules per bottle. The amount per bottle can be changed by setting. How many capsules does this count? This is the screen installation technology. This is the left exit. This is the right exit. Setup complete. Power on. Adjust the vibrating. This is the speed of the turntable. All right.